Hey folks, and welcome to my backyard. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to start smoking. Today, I am smoking dino ribs. It's going to take about 8 hours. It's going to be a long, hot day, so I have to start early. Alright, we're going to slice these bad boys open. I got some dino ribs. These are from Costco. Out of here. Alright, set these down. Whoa, almost lost that one. Gotta wipe them down. Dry them off. Let's see what we got. Now for dino ribs, you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 bones. 1, 2, 3 bones. And we're just gonna clean them up a little bit to make it a nice even cook. Alright, so the back. On the back there's a membrane. No reason really to take it off. You can score it if you want. With a long cook, you're not gonna taste it. It's not like the pork ribs. Alright. Alright. Now, I'm sorry I'm talking so quiet, but it is 6 in the morning. I have neighbors, so I can't be too loudly. But to put the binder on today, we're going to use some Worcestershire sauce. Just going to rub that on. Do that to both of them. Okay. Alright. And then, you know what I'm going to do? So today, I'm going to use Chud's Barbecue. It has 16 mesh black pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit on there. Pepper will bring the smoke in and get the smoky flavor, and to begin to make that nice bark. And I like pepper's taste. I like the pepper taste on that one. And I think for one of these, I'm going to use Lowry salt. Add a little bit of that. A little bit goes a long way. And then for both of them, I want to use this Holy Cow from Meat Church. I love this stuff. This will be, we're going to cover this really good. This also has black pepper in it. This goes on just like the rib, brisket. Just like the brisket. Put this on. Nice even coating. Coverage on there. Now I also need to get the sides. I'm not worried about the bottom. Nothing, no flavor really gets in there. Now that we're complete, we're going to let the rub sit for 20 minutes. And we'll get the pit boss fired up to 250 degrees. And we'll get these babies on. Alright, so let's go over what we're doing today. What we did for your Dino ribs, you're going to take it out of the package. We're going to get our smoker going at 250. We're going to use Worcestershire sauce as a binder. Sprinkle some 16 mesh pepper on it. We got the holy cow on there. One only uses Lowry salts, just to kind of see if there's any difference on anything. Once it gets up to temp, we're going to light up the pellet tube for some extra smoke for these beef ribs. And I think it's going to taste great. So it's going to smoke for about 8 hours. We're going to check it, maybe spritz it every 90 minutes or so with some apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to, when it gets up to 208, 210, that's when we're going to pull it. We're going to let them rest for about 45 minutes or so, probably until the internal tip's about 140. And we're going to slice it up and see how good it tastes. This is my first time making these Dino ribs, so good luck to me. And good luck to you from home if you're going to follow along and do the same. I encourage you to cook outdoors. This is great. It's my rehab that I have, just to be outside and experiment. There you go. Get the extra smoke, and this is just Alright, so the pit boss has reached the 250 mark. For a while. I'll come and check it about 90 minutes from now. I'll let this baby go. And I'm going to go inside, get me some coffee, maybe some breakfast. So one of the beef ribs has reached the temperature of 208, which is when I want to pull it and wrap it and let it rest. So it's been about 7 hours, almost 8. It's roughly about the bigger one's at 197 internal, and so we'll give that a few more times here. First I'm gonna pull off the small one, so that's the one that should be. Just double checking the probe. Yes, it is. Oh, nice. Let's just rotate this one a little bit. Right. So I've been coming on about every half hour or every hour, hour and a half to spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. Keep it going. Now I'm going to wrap it in some butcher paper and let it rest for 45 minutes. Just wrap it up and keep the moisture in there. So for the small beef ribs, it was 6 hours. It reached a 208 temperature. So I'm gonna let it rest. My larger one is at 197, so it's probably gonna take another hour, hour and a half possibly to reach the proper temp. So I did when I started to cook. So I had it at 250, and 2 hours into it, it's an internal temp of 170, which what I've learned, 170 is usually around the 6 hour mark. So I lowered it down to 220, and then I raised it back up to 230. I left it there 230 for a couple hours, and I went back up to 250. Um, we'll see what kind of effect that has. But definitely had a lot of smoke going, and so we'll see how tender it is when we cut it open here in an hour or so. All right, so I poked this guy with my meat thermometer. Right now the pit boss says it's 203, but I stuck my instant thermometer in. It just felt like butter. Completely so easy to go in. I'm excited about this sucker. So let me turn off the pit boss while I'm standing here. Pull out this meat thermometer. Carry this over. Oh yeah. Mm, I'm excited. We gotta wait 45 minutes or so, let it cool down. We'll slice it open. All right, so we did about 6 hours for one, 7 hours for the larger one uh, of the ribs, and we let it sit for about an hour to cool down. Now we're gonna unwrap and see what we got, see what it looks like. This is the small one first. A little loud. Let's get the second one. Oh, this one seems a little bit more juicy. Smells good, I'll tell you that much. Wow. See what the small one looks like. We're gonna try to get equal amount for each person. Wow. Hold on. Didn't quite get. Zoom in on that one. Wow, starting to fall off the bone. You can see the juices. That looks good. Hoping to take a bite out of each one. Because remember, I did the small one with the Lowry salt. The bigger one, I did not do the Lowry salt. Ooh, that one even squirted some juice. Ooh. You can see the smoke ring. That looks nice and good, nice and juicy. Mm. Let me take a bite of the small one here. Oh, see, this is the membrane that we didn't worry about. See? Yeah. Thick paper. No. 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 Wow. That's better than brisket. Mm. So we're going to get the family set at the table so we can eat this nice, wonderful Dino ribs. Thanks for watching. It was good. Come join me in the backyard next time. And remember, please like and subscribe. Dino rib. That's good stuff. Join me in my backyard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Backyard Cooking Daddy.